That rock in your backyard, could it be from outer space? Millions of objects fall to Earth every year. Here's how to find out if you have something truly extraordinary. Start with a visual inspection. True meteorites have a thin, dark outer layer called a fusion crust, created as they burn through the atmosphere. They often have unusual shapes, not smoothed by water erosion like Earth rocks. You may also notice regmaglypts, thumbprint-like indentations on the surface. The magnet test is one of the most reliable home tests. Most meteorites contain iron and nickel, so they will strongly attract to a magnet. If your rock doesn't attract, it's likely not a meteorite. However, some meteorites are non-magnetic, so this isn't definitive. The streak test helps distinguish meteorites from lookalikes. Rub your rock on an unglazed ceramic tile. A true meteorite won't leave a colored streak, while many Earth rocks will. Meteorites are often heavier than they look. Their metallic iron content makes them unusually dense. Pick it up and compare it to a similarly sized Earth rock. If it feels significantly heavier, that's a promising sign. Home tests can narrow down your search, but for definitive answers, seek professional analysis. A geologist can perform acid tests and composition analysis to confirm your find is truly from outer space. The cosmos is closer than you think. That unusual rock might just be your ticket to the stars. Happy hunting.